Sitting down to create a landscape on my gel plate, instinctively, I reach for certain colors. This time, deep yellows and bright blues. But in the end, the print that I pull, I've been here before. It's a memory, translated into art. It's funny. I don't always have a set visual when I sit down to the plate. Somehow today, yellow feels like the right color. I've learned to trust my instincts. When my mind overrules them, I regret it. Sometimes you experience things in life that create a permanent snapshot in your mind. The Tuscan countryside feels simple, yet complex, all the same. It's rustic, layered with depth, character, and loads of texture. Much like the aged buildings and doors I'm drawn to here, I get lost looking at the miles of golden wheat fields, the deep green cypress and olive tree-lined roads, not to mention those rough, worn old buildings. The Tuscan countryside, it's quiet, yet speaks to me. There's a story here. I open the shutters in the farmhouse, but what I see doesn't even look real. It's as if someone snapped a picture and hung it right outside my window. The simplicity of it is breathtaking. Not in a Sistine Chapel kind of way. It's something different. It captivates you, holds you right in that moment. Much like the food of this region, it's easy. Classic. The peasant view is earthy, rough. It's real. It mesmerizes me. I wonder who stood here in this very spot hundreds of years ago. In this moment, what stories have been told here? But its history is built up over time. Wispy white clouds roll in and out, day in, day out, just witnessing yellow fields deepen in color throughout the year, season by season. The earth on the horizon, it sits back and watches the story get painted, one stroke at a time. Walking through historic Tuscan villages that I love, those worn textures, that character developed by nature and time, there's something enchanting about it. The texture, it's built up just like my pulls on the plate, layer after layer, finishing the story to a scene I know all too well. But all I have to do is close my eyes, and I'm transported right here. Wonderful memories wash over me. Yet somehow, I'm right back walking that olive tree-lined road. Golden fields all around me. Sure, photos capture memories. But when you translate these moments, those emotions, into your art, you feel it every time you look at it. It becomes a part of your soul. These textures, those stories, they are all around us. Every day, all you have to do is close your eyes, pick one, and translate your life into your art. And if you want, share your story with someone you love. Sometimes we get stuck and don't know what to create, but a little grunge and a leaf can create a spark that results in something truly special. Click this video to see that spring to life.